Alright, we're going to make us some little bit of a homemade knife handle finish. And what I use is beeswax, which I've got here. And then I use walnut oil, which I buy at the store, buy at the grocery store. The beeswax I have came from, there we go. Y'all can see that. It's pretty easy. All we did was chop this up. We chopped this up. And we're going to put it in our little container here. And we've got it in fairly small pieces. We're going to end up microwaving this. And normally if I have two hands I just fold the plate and dump it in there, but I don't have two hands today. Alright, we got our beeswax and we're going to pour our olive oil in here just to where it gets, doesn't have to be all the way to the top, but we want to get it so it's, we're looking for about half and half. A 50-50 portion. Alright, that's more than enough olive oil. So now all we do is microwave this and let it melt down. Alright, that's what it looks like once we've nuked it in the microwave. It is really hot at this point, and that's the way I use it. I generally take a little bit and dip a napkin in it and rub it on my knife handles or bowls, wooden bowls or cutting boards or whatever you want to do. In a pinch, it works good on your boots. It'll seal up your leather. It does pretty good. It's food safe. There's nothing in it you can't eat. Beeswax and walnut oil. So I hope this helps. I keep it in a little glass jar. That way I can take the lid off and microwave it and heat it back up. Like I say, I use it hot. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe. And check us out on Etsy and at the Virginia School of Traditional Arts page if you'd like a class. Have a good day.